Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is John Navart and I am with...
Hi! Makeup
And
babuya!
we're going where?
Lakawon!
Yeah. I'm having a cough and obviously my voice isn't in tip-top shape. That's why we're going to the beach for respiratory therapy. We're going to do a silent vlog. Cadiz City is an hour's drive away from here. We are now in Silay.
Next group number.
Number 16, nandun lang slow naman patabi.
It's out there and it looks different. I was here like in 1992 or 93 and all these improvements weren't here yet. It takes a few meters walk from here to there, so we're walking.
Alas kahit mami.
kami lang ginahula. On our way. Hi, Jed! Hello! That's Tauhai floating bar. This is the most comfortable place because this is the only air-conditioned place, only air-conditioned picnic place here at Lakawon. Free aircon at the toilet, ladies' room. Okay. That's good enough for me. This is John Navart signing out for part 1 of this vlog. See you at part 2 and always remember there is always life and love.